Hello. Welcome to Global Korean Academy. I am your Korean language teacher.
연필,
pencil,
연필,
pencil,
가위,
scissors,
가위,
scissors,
안경,
eyeglasses,
안경,
eyeglasses,
달력,
calendar,
달력,
calendar,
계산기,
calculator,
계산기,
calculator,
컵,
cup,
컵,
cup,
볼펜,
pen,
볼펜,
pen,
컴퓨터,
computer,
컴퓨터,
computer,
휴대폰,
mobile phone,
휴대폰,
mobile phone,
시계,
clock,
시계,
clock,
칼,
paper cutter,
칼.
paper cutter.
The video is over for today. Let's meet again in a new video. Practice the words you learned today. Watch more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video.